Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to diagnose your hard drive if it's acting weirdly. So let's get started. So first tool you will need it is Rufus. I'll leave a link to that in the video description. And the other is WD hard drive recovery software. It's called Lifeguard. I'll leave a link also to that in the video description. And your USB drive. So let's start Rufus here. After that you select your USB drive. I had it sent to us. I had a video on that coming. So and now you make it free DOS. Okay, and just hit start. Okay, it's going to format all your data. So back those up. This will be fast, so I don't have to pause the video or so. Okay, so it has finished. Now you extract this file. It will get you those. It will get you this and two other files. You just take the .exe file. Okay, so this is this file, the DOS. Also make sure that you get the DOS one, not the Windows one. You will need the DOS one. This is the zip file for the Windows one. You don't get this. You get the DOS one. So now just send this to your USB drive. Okay, here now it has to be sent. So now turn off your computer and boot from that drive. I already done this process and I got my error code. So when you boot, you just select your drive. See how you can access your boot menu. After that you just type in the name of the exe, so .dlg.exe. It will run, and when it will just test your hard drive. If it's any errors, it will get you an error code. You go to a link, I'll leave it in the video description again, and you just search for it. Search what this error code refers to. So mine was 0104. So in the next video I'm going to show you how to solve that. Thanks for watching. This has been a quick video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to solve WD hard drive error 0104. So let's get started. Before I show you how to do this, please consider that this error happened for a lot of reasons. This method will help you only if your hard drive has bad contacts, not from the SATA cable, but bad contacts to the inside of your hard drive. So first you'll need a Torx head screwdriver. This will help us get the PCB out. And you will also need a rubbing alcohol. If you don't have that, any nail polish remover will get the job done. Now flip your hard drive to its back like this, then remove those screws, then take the PCB out. Now look for the contact points. They will look something like this. Start cleaning them with the rubbing alcohol or the nail polish remover. Dry it with some paper towel. Put the PCB back into the place, retighten the screw, and now you're good to go. This method will not void any of your warranty if it's still intact, so it's totally safe. It actually worked for me. I hope also it worked for you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.